स्टूडेंट स्वागत है आपका काफी आगे आता है। हम कर रहे हैं बीएससी के क्वेश्चन जो कि हमारी इंग्लिश के तो स्टार्ट करते हैं। विवेक सेड आई जस्ट वांट a dash new laptop that does not work which one. Vivek said I just want a new laptop it does not work which one. So please put the answer. One of the professional front for doing a quantum of work or engagement, you can get a boost. You can get a boost or encouragement for doing the quantum of work on the professional front. CBCPA. The cashier asked to be signed again. Did not he? The cashier asked to sign again. Did it not he? From these two, we could see the course of the river as it would its way through the green field and fertilized valley. Green field and fertilized valley. The number of more in the locality that increased since last year. The number of more in the locality has increased since last year. Siddhartha was dash about the result of his examination as he felt he had not done his physical examination well. Siddhartha was apprehensive about result. Apprehensive and जानना. Confident, hesitate, assertive, confidently or hesitating, just but apprehensive था about his result. You seem to have a large collection of books than I have. You seem to have a large collection of books than I have. To lose face, become has respected by others. To lose face, become has respected by others. To lose face, become has respected by others. So carry a lot of thermal wear, become very cold. Bhutan can, if you are going hiking. Bhutan can become very cold. Bhutan can become very cold. So carry a lot of thermal wear if you are going to hiking. So Bhutan can become very cold. So carry a thermal wear if you are going to hiking. We had to call a dash plumber to repair the leaking tap in the kitchen. We had to call a plumber to repair the leaking tap in the kitchen. The solo survivor of the ghosty dash was a very young. Claustrophobia. Catastrophe was very young boy. If you don't learn, too much work might take to delegate a toll on your health. Too much work might take a toll of your health. Too much work might take a toll of your health if you don't have learned to delegate. Bhaskar worked very hard in order that his family could enjoy all the comforts of life. Bhaskar worked very hard in order that his family could enjoy the comfort of life. One of the two girls in the picture is my sister. At first, no one thought that Helen Kelly would be capable of learning things. At first, no one thought that Helen Kelly would be capable to learn anything. My aunt told me that after her accident, she could only walk using a stick. My aunt told me that after her accident she could only walk using a stick. The word number one to be ranked Guinness World Record. He was the first Indian. He was the first Indian. He was the first Indian to be ranked the world number one Guinness Fish Player. He was the first Indian to be ranked the world number one Guinness Trash Player. Geeta meet an officer. Geeta meet an officer at the party at her friend's house. Related to management study and economy, various field attended the conference. Research students from various fields. Research scholar from various fields related to management study and economics attend the conference. The family is right now going through a bad time. The family is right now going through a bad time. The mechanical synonym बताना. The mechanic repaired my watch within minutes, although it had such an integrated मतलब complex management. His audacious remark was not taken well by the chairman. Audacious, careful remark, framed one claudius, tricky remark. From the opulent style of living of the Indian and grace and the wealthy. Numerous television series is a favorite of my family. Tragic, drowsy, lengthy, tragic, amusing, tragic. The rescue operation were hampered my constant weight. Hampered मतलब block करना. The rescue operation were blocked my constant trains. All attempt of the parent to be pacified the child and he blow even more loudly. Provoke. This institution was established by the trust 25 years ago. Demolished. Established करना demolished करना तोड़ना. Sudha showed great reverence for her professor. So the great reverence for her. Steve wonder admiration. We were told not to deviate from the direction they gave us to reach the beach. The innate goodness of the Shankar made him exact a helping hand to old men crossing the road. The innate goodness,